Hi, welcome to Perkins. My name is Shawn Miller. I'm the service manager. Today I want to talk about spring car care. Through the month of April, we got a sale on these little guys right here. Buy three, get one for $1. I also want to talk about we're in that temperature roller coaster. So for every 10 degrees of difference, it can affect your tires 2 to 3 psi. To help combat that, we have our nitrogen service. For $99.95, we will take the air out, exchange it for nitrogen. The big benefits to that is you get a lot better fuel economy, a lot better tire wear, and that pesky light doesn't come on as often. I also want to introduce our Perkins first time ever winter inspection. For $39.95, you can get a certified technician to go through your car from front to back and let you know if winter's had any negative effects on your car. My name is Shawn Miller, and I'll be here to greet you.